Does your 9th generation Impala make this noise when changing the temperature or mode on the air conditioner? The problem is going to be in one or more of the 3 actuators that control the blend doors. I'll be replacing my broken actuator with this OEM GM actuator, link in the description below. As you can see, it's identical to the one it's replacing. The tools you'll need are 7/32 or 5.5mm sockets. Deep well is preferable for the driver's side temperature actuator. You'll also need a 1/4" nut driver or ratchet, depending on what actuator you're replacing. The mode and passenger temperature blend door actuators are located behind the glove box, passenger temperature on the left side, and mode to the right of the blower motor. The driver temperature actuator is located above the gas pedal on the right. If you're not sure which actuator needs to be replaced, you should be able to feel the clicking with your fingers while it's making noise. To replace the passenger temperature actuator, use the 5.5mm socket with a nut driver to remove both the top and bottom screws. Then remove it from the blend door shaft, unplug the wiring harness, and reverse the steps for the new actuator. The blend door shaft may not line up correctly, so you may have to twist the actuator in place to get the screw holes to line up. For the mode blend door, you'll need the 5.5mm socket and 1/4" ratchet. I found it easiest to have the ratchet handle down and work it back and forth with my fingertips. Unfortunately, there's just not a lot of room to work with this actuator. To replace the driver's side temperature actuator, you'll first have to remove these 3 retaining clips, followed by the cover above the pedals. It can be tucked away below the pedals without removing the floorboard light. For easier access, remove this wiring harness clip and gently push it out of the way. Then using a 5.5mm deep well socket and a ratchet, remove the 2 screws from the bottom left and top right corners of the actuator. Just like with the others, it's easy to remove it first before unplugging the wiring harness and reinstalling your new actuator. Then replace the wiring harness clip, followed by the cover above the floorboard. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Also leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section below.